Hello and welcome to the SmartSuite onboarding series. In this episode, we'll talk about Start Items, or Favorites, your personalized navigation menu. I will show you where to find it, we'll talk about the elements that can be added to favorites, and see how to pin the most important items to the top of the list. Hi, my name is Artem, I'm a product manager at SmartSuite. Let's dive in. When working in SmartSuite, you will often find yourself being involved in different solutions, views, and records. And some of them you will access more often than others. The Start Items feature allows you to create your own personal menu and get instant access to stuff that matters to you. All you need to do is mark a certain element with a star and it will appear in your favorites list. You can find the Start Items menu by clicking the star icon in the top right of your screen. At the time of this recording, the following elements can be added to the favorites list: Solutions, Views, and Records. The list of shortcuts can grow very fast. That's why we have the search option available. But also, you can pin the most important shortcuts to the top of the list to make sure they always remain visible. And this concludes the overview of the Start Items feature in SmartSuite. Using those shortcuts will save you time and will help you stay better organized in your work. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.